Hello everyone, I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Today's video is very different and very special for you all. As you know, that YouTube has given us a platform to share our knowledge to educate others, right? Now, YouTube is giving us another opportunity. What's that? I'll tell you. Today, I'm announcing membership. Yes, YouTube has given me an opportunity to create more content, especially for the members of this channel. So, who should opt this membership? And what is this membership? I'll tell you in detail. But before that, I want to inform you that all the content available on this channel or will be posted on this channel that will be absolutely free for the non-members. That means I'll keep on posting rest of the content for non-members also, but the members of this channel will get extra content. So what are the benefits of membership? There will be exclusive members only content, members only posts, practice work related to the topic, and priority reply to comments for the members, and members can earn loyalty badges and they'll get many more other perks. Who should opt for this membership? Anyone who wants to improve spoken and written English should opt for this membership. Anyone who wants to improve English pronunciation, anyone who wants to have a strong grammar base, anyone who wants to develop confidence, that person should take membership for this channel. And what are the types of membership? There are two types of membership: basic English, advanced English. Who should opt for basic English membership? Who wants to improve spoken English, grammar, and written English? They can opt for basic English membership. And who should opt for advanced English membership? Who wants to learn phonetics, pronunciation lessons, and those who want to learn English for business. So they should opt for this advanced English membership. Alright, so I hope you have understood. What will you do to get this membership? Just press the join button, which you will see near the subscribe button below. Alright, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.